Since the Pixel 9 launch, Google's been quietly shaking up its whole Pixel playbook. You know how it used to be? Pro just meant a slightly better camera and a slightly bigger screen. But now the Pixel Pro lineup feels like it's playing in a different league altogether. Not just flagship, we're talking flagship. And with the Pixel 10, that gap between the regular and the Pro is only getting wider. This time, the big divide is in the display department. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel. It genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. Word is the Pixel 10 Pro is getting a serious visual upgrade, thanks to a higher PWM refresh rate. But of course, only the Pro models are getting the love. If you've ever stared at a Pixel screen and felt your eyeballs twitch a little, you're not crazy. One of the long-standing complaints has been their lower PWM pulse width modulation. Now, for most people, it's no big deal. But if you're sensitive to screen flicker, it can literally give you a headache. And no, I'm not exaggerating. Some Pixel users have tried fixing this with third-party mods, but Google, they pretty much ignored it until now. According to a recent leak, codenamed Hubble, the Pixel 10 Pro might finally bump that PWM rate from 240 Hz to 480 Hz. Is it groundbreaking? No. But is it a welcome improvement? Absolutely. It also puts Google in the same arena as Apple and Samsung, who already made that leap. Unfortunately, the base Pixel 10 and even the Pixel 10 Pro Fold are rumored to be stuck with the same old 240 Hz rate. That's a bit of a letdown. Now here's the bright side, literally. All Pixel 10 models are getting brighter screens. The base model might hit 2000 nits of declared HDR brightness, up from 1800 on the Pixel 9. The Pixel 10 Pro and Pro XL, they're aiming for a stunning 2250 nits. Even the Fold is getting a bump, minus 1850 nits on the inside, 2050 on the outer display. Not bad, right? Some newer phones are pushing PWM into the 2000 Hz range and beyond. That's a massive difference in eye comfort, especially for people using their phones all day, every day. But here's the catch. Most brands are obsessed with making their screens look amazing in lab tests. They chase brightness, color, contrast, but forget that we're actual humans looking at these displays, not robots. Slower PWM helps with those fancy specs, but it can make long usage feel like staring into a headache. That said, don't get too carried away just yet. Everything we talked about is based on early leaks and some vague software references. The original report didn't even cite direct sources, so yeah, take it with a healthy pinch of salt. So what's your take? Are you excited about Google's brighter, more eye-friendly direction, or are you side-eyeing them for leaving the base models in the dark? Again, drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay techie.